Welcome to Urban Comedy 254. Please like, subscribe and ring the bell to get more notification in all videos.
Doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart, moved to the city and